There's been a lot of questions that have come up on how you put the Kangen machine on a faucet when you have a custom type head on here. So I wanted to show you, we actually had this installed in our basement for the last few months because we had a standard head in the basement. And so I figured out how to do this with this adapter. It makes it very easy so you can put it on any kind of a custom faucet. So check this out. Here's our standard faucet, or what I would call our custom faucet in our kitchen. And so it has that spray. You can fish it for that spray. You can pull this off and move it around. Not sure the proper name for that, but that's what we have. So I've loosened these already to make it a little faster, but on most of these faucets you have this middle piece right here, and all in the world you have to do is get a pair of pliers and unscrew that. This piece will come out. Then you go to any Lowe's, Home Depot, hardware store, and you buy this little gizmo. That's the technical term for it. And this is going to replace the piece that I just took out. And you don't need a lot of fancy tools. I just have a pair of gigantic pliers. I'm going to tighten that up. And then this piece comes with the Kangen machine when you get the machine. And you're going to take that and screw it in place. Okay, just hand tight. There's actually a notch in here if you want to. And again, using my custom tools, I'll grab a knife out of the drawer and just tighten that down a little bit more. And then the final piece is again something that comes with your machine. You're going to tighten that down. So that adapter piece that I bought, the hardware store cost less than $5. So now I've got my normal, my spray. I can move this around still. Oops, sorry, made a mess. Move that around still. Put that back in. And I can use my Kangen water. Thank you. That was free.